Brothers and sisters, perhaps your problem is not being able to pray, wear the hijab, continue to do the religious acts as you were supposed to do. Maybe you're struggling with that. That's okay. Listen to this. Aisha radiallahu anha asked the Prophet ﷺ and said, Ya Rasulullah, which is the best action? And he used to say, the one that is more consistent, even if it's a little bit. The action that is consistent, even if it's a little bit. So start something small and be consistent with it. Allah looks at the quality and the consistency more than the quantity. Here is a little something for you. If you're struggling with doing your salat, offer a voluntary prayer. Like go and just pick up any time and hit the floor. Make wudu and make salat on your own. And see how it feels. Wallahi, this is something that I used in my life. It helped me a lot. Volunteer to do acts of worship and watch how the other acts, inshaAllah, will start becoming a little bit beloved to you. My brothers and sisters, a Bedouin came to the Prophet ﷺ and said, Ya Rasulullah, what do I need to do to enter paradise? And he told him the 5 pillars of Islam, and then he told him about what Islam, the halal and haram. Then the Bedouin turned around and left and he said, I swear by God, I will not do more than what Allah has made compulsory. I will not do less than that or more than that. And he went off. And the Prophet ﷺ said, Aflah al-Arabiyu in sadaq. The Bedouin is truly triumphant and successful if he is honest and truthful to what he's saying. So the idea, brothers and sisters, is you can start small but be consistent. That is more important. You don't have to be a super Muslim. Perhaps your struggle is in your family, your spouse, your children. Brothers and sisters, inshaAllah, I advise you to build a network. Don't abandon the mosques. This is like this type of gathering, there is a network. I was watching a film about how they make movies and in Hollywood, and they talk about how they get the money, and they said everything's about networking. Networking, interacting, we are social beings, asking, and inshaAllah, you'll start getting support and help because you are the product of the 5 friends who you hang around with the most. If they're negative, you're going to be negative. If they're positive, most likely you'll be positive. So watch out what kind of a network you have and the people that you gather around, inshaAllah. My dear